Today I want to talk about Irlens Syndrome, also sometimes called Mears-Irlens Syndrome or scotopic sensitivity. What is it? Who has it? And what is to be done about it? In my experience of talking to people with dyslexia, it can occur quite often among people with a diagnosis of dyslexia and other neurodiverse conditions, for example dyspraxia. In simple terms, Irlens is a significant sensitivity to light, which can often manifest as severe discomfort. In terms of work or study, if you find looking at the page horrible because it's so bright, or the words are moving, maybe sliding around or jumping about, hovering off the page, distorting or blurring, or if your eyes get sore and you get frequent headaches and migraine, or if you find driving at night to be particularly hard work and uncomfortable from the glare, these are all characteristics of Irlens syndrome. So, what's to be done if you are experiencing any or all of these problems? You find that people will often wear sunglasses to reduce the glare, which is a good start. For reading, people find the use of a coloured overlay, usually an acrylic sheet or a short ruler-sized piece of coloured plastic, will take the glare off. There are a range of colour options, and what suits you best is down to personal preference. You can often change the background colour on your computer, for example. If you find the white page on Microsoft Word very bright, this can often be changed, depending on which version of Windows you're running, to a softer pastel shade of your choice. The Irlens company train people to be Irlens screeners, and they will spend time with you testing out a dozen or so different coloured overlays to find out which is most effective for you. Of course, you can buy very cheaply from the internet a coloured overlay yourself. It may work for you and may be worth trialling before investing in a formal and more expensive Irlens screening assessment. More comprehensive than this are the tinted glasses that Irlens do. Assessment and diagnosis are expensive, but can be subsidised under certain circumstances, for example through the Access to Work scheme in some situations. If you have an Irlens assessment and they identify a tint for glasses that will be effective for you, you will need to arrange for a new pair of glasses from your optician, which the Irlens assessor will then send on to be tinted in the United States. This takes about 3 weeks. For those people who suffer from those experiences that I mentioned earlier, and for whom this solution makes a difference, it is massively beneficial. Getting rid of eye strain, soreness, headaches and migraine is priceless. If you want to know more about Irlens syndrome or find a local screener and assessor, then check out their website. If glare is an issue for you, think about how you can control the lights around you for your comfort, and maybe explore the overlay option. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. If you found this video useful, then why not take a look at this one? I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.